In today's video, we're going to learn how to categorize credit card rewards in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever wondered how to properly track those rewards from your business spending, this guide will make it simple. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on your dashboard, head over to the Transactions section. This is where all your financial activity is recorded, so keeping it organized is key for smooth accounting. Next, we'll set up a dedicated account for your credit card rewards. Navigate to the Chart of Accounts from the Banking or Accounting menu. Think of the Chart of Accounts as a map of your business finances. It shows all your assets, liabilities, and equity. Click on New to create a new account. Name it something clear like Credit Card Rewards, so you can easily spot it later. For the account type, select Income. This ensures that rewards are recorded as money coming back to your business, rather than just a miscellaneous entry. Then choose a detail type. For credit card rewards, discounts and refunds given works perfectly, as it reflects these rewards as a financial benefit to your business. Double-check all the details and click Save. Now your rewards are properly categorized and ready to track in QuickBooks. Keeping your accounts organized like this makes managing your finances easier, helps with accurate reporting, and ensures you're ready come tax time. And that's how you categorize credit card rewards in QuickBooks Online. Give it a try and you'll see how simple tracking rewards can be.